Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. So first go on to Instagram and click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Once you're on here you can just click on following near the top, and at the top it should say sorted by default, so you can change that if you wish to do so to latest followers or people who you followed earliest. So once you've done that, you can click on the three dots on the right hand side. Then if you click on see shared activity, it'll just let you know near the top that if they follow you or not. So all you need to do is click on following, and that will unfollow that person. So that's how you can unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Thanks for watching.